Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make oatmeal omurice. If you like omurice, you're gonna love it. It's really good. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. Chop the onion. Dice the chicken. Heat half tablespoon of cooking oil in a frying pan and cook the onion and chicken until done. Now quickly rinse the oatmeal in a strainer to moisten. The oatmeal I picked at the grocery store was called multi-oatmeal, which can be used for both hot and cold oatmeal. Please make sure what kind of oatmeal you have and the way you turn it into rice substitute. I think every product has the best way to turn it into rice substitute. Drain well, then add. Season with 2 tablespoons of ketchup and salt and pepper. Doesn't matter if the oatmeal sticks together. Two eggs in a bowl. Season with salt and pepper. In a clean frying pan, heat half tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the egg mixture and make a round omelet. Before the egg is fully cooked, place the seasoned oatmeal in the middle. Fold both sides of the egg. Shape it using the edge of the pan. Carefully flip it over onto a plate. You can use a paper towel to shape it nicely. Put some ketchup on top to finish. Kawaii emoji makes you happy. And now it's done. If you want to know more omurice recipe ideas, I have a playlist on my channel, so please check it out. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Itadakimasu. 言われないと一瞬ご飯じゃないってことに気づかないぐらい美味しいです。ぜひ試してみてください。
焼いて食べたりする人はこれをおすすめです。
そうだね。
じゃあなたお願いします。ケツボタン押してね。バイバーイ。